Hi, so I'm going to just quickly talk to you about the Medik8 clay mask that I've got on at the moment. I hope I didn't scare you if you wasn't expecting this look. So anyway, let's get to it. So this is the Medik8 Natural Clay Mask. I've been using this for quite a few months now. It's I use all of the Medik8 products in my daily skin regime. Obviously not the whole range, but my skin routine consists of Medik8 products. And first of all, do you know what I like about Medik8 is that they really are in touch with what people want. You know, they recycle the packaging, and what's even fantastic now is that they've actually started making hand sanitisers. Yeah, they're fantastic. So it's not just about you know, products. There's lots of other things that they do. They don't test on animals. They try to keep things as natural as possible, unless they have to put ingredients in. But they try not to compromise their core belief, which is fantastic, because obviously nowadays we really want to look after our skin, but we want to avoid things that are harmful to the environment. We definitely don't want anything that's been tested on animals or anything like that at all. So that is where Medik8 really fit in fantastic. It's a cosmeceutical brand. But they try to use as much natural ingredients as possible, which is great. So yeah, natural clay mask. So you can just see it doesn't really go dry on the skin. I've had this on for probably about 20 minutes. So it dries kind of, but it doesn't go, that didn't even make sense. It dries kind of, but you know what I mean. It doesn't go hard like other clay masks do. It just kind of dries a little bit on the skin. And I mean, it says to leave on for about 20 minutes. I'll leave mine on for 40 minutes, 45 minutes, which is perfectly fine. Sometimes if I want the product to penetrate a lot deeper, if I'm jumping in the shower, I'll pop this on first, then jump in the shower. So then the steam from the shower is actually opening up my pores, so the product can actually penetrate a lot deeper in the skin. So that's a little tip there. Same if you're having a bath and the room's nice and hot and it's quite, you know, there's a lot of steam. That's another way that the product can actually push deeper into the skin as well. But this really helps to purify the skin, helps to decongest the skin. It's also good for mattifying the skin. So if your skin's a bit oily, maybe it's time of month or you're a bit spotty, this is really good at just basically drawing everything out of the skin. And it just helps my skin to look a little bit more even. Not in a way that, you know, I'm not talking about if you've got pigmentation, but I think if I've got areas that are quite oily and it's quite a mixture on my skin, it just helps it to look more even. And that's essentially because it's drawing out those impurities out of the skin, which is fantastic. And it says here it's got kaolin, it's got bentonite as well. So yeah, really good key ingredients that are needed really for oily, congested, spotty skin. So if you're looking for a good clay mask, you're looking for one that works, this sells for £29 in the UK. Sorry, I know the light's shining there. It is well worth the investment, and yeah, does the job. So I'm going to be going now. I'm going to be taking this off as I've had it on for a little while, but hopefully that's helped any of you that have been looking for a decent clay mask. Then yeah, I recommend the Medik8 clay mask. It's one I use, it's one I recommend. Bye guys.